Today we will be revising the chemistry 4th lesson exercise. Okay children? Okay, the first question, choose the correct answer option. Which of the following substance is not miscible with water? Miscible with means water. Thoroughly mix. Okay. Milk, honey, alcohol, oil. Answer is oil. Which of the following is a fluid? Fluid means kind of liquid. Okay. Pen, paper, knife, air. And the option is air. Air can flow from one place to another, isn't it? Yes. Which of the following has a fixed shape and fixed volume? Milk, water, air and pen. Fixed shape and fixed volume usually solids will have. So among the options, pen only has the is a solid, so it has the fixed shape and volume. Fourth question, which of the following has a fixed volume but not a fixed shape? So which will have a fixed volume but no fixed shape? Liquids. So what are all the options? Milk, book, pen, air. So among them, milk is the liquid, so that's the answer. Fifth one, which of the following is the intermolecular force maximum? In which of the following intermolecular force is maximum? Where the intermolecular force will be maximum? Only in the case of solids. So what are all the options? Options are ice, water, water vapor and air. Among the options, ice is the only solid. So in solids only the molecules are closely arranged, so intermolecular space is more. So maximum or more. Okay children. Yes, the next one. Fill in the blanks. A gas is dash. Is it compressible or incompressible? Compressible. You can compress the air, isn't it? Then dash are fluids. Dash are fluids. Gases or solids, I told you. Fluids are the one which can flow from one medium to another. So here gases are the fluids. On being dash, a solid changes into liquid. By which process the solid changes to liquid? On heating. Very good. On being dash, a gas changes into a liquid. So when a gas will change into liquid? During cooled. Okay. During, see, your tiffin boxes are closed hot in the morning. When you open at the afternoon during lunchtime, you can see the water droplets on your lid of your tiffin box, isn't it? That's because the hot air from the food cools down and converted into water. So on cooling, the gases will become liquid. Next question. A gas condenses as the intermolecular space dash. So gas condenses. Condenses means cool down. So intermolecular space, what happens on cooling down? The gas will become water, liquid. So the intermolecular space will decreases. Okay children. Question number 6. A liquid freezes as the intermolecular force becomes dash. So liquid freezes to form solid. Water freezes to form ice, no. So freezes to form solid. So when you compare the intermolecular space between solid and liquid, the solids have more intermolecular space, intermolecular force than liquid, right? Force will be more where? In the case of solids, but in the case of liquids it will be less because the molecules are arranged far away. So intermolecular force, we are not talking about space, force will be more. So the force will become stronger, that is the molecules get closer to each other, so it will be stronger. Is it clear? Yes. Next question, question number 7. When a solid vaporizes without melting, the change in state is called dash. So some solids on heating or through some process, no, they won't be converted into liquid directly, they will be converted into gases. For example, camphor we are using, isn't it? The camphor, when you burn the camphor, it will not become liquid, rather it will become gas. So that is called as sublimation process. Okay. Then direct conversion of solids to gases, that process is called, that transformation is called sublimation. Eighth question, a gas tends to move from dash to a dash pressure zone. So gases always tends to move from high pressure to low pressure areas, high pressure to low pressure area. Is it clear, children? That's why the pressure is more on the land when you compare with the mountain. As you go higher and higher, the air pressure will become less. Okay, so that is that when you go higher and higher, air pressure will be less. That is, the air flows from low pressure area to high pressure area. Okay, then so shall we revise the true or false now? True or false? uh, Air is not a matter. Air is not a matter. Is it true? No. Air is also made up of atoms. So it occupies the space and it has volume. So it is a matter. So the statement is false. Next question. A liquid expands more than a solid on being heated. So a liquid expands more than a solid. Isn't it? Solid expands. Solid will become liquid. Liquid will become gases. So the expansion is more in the case of liquids. So the statement is true. Yes, the liquids expand more than the solid. So the statement is true. Gases mix freely with one another. Gases mix freely with one another. Yes, because the intermolecular space, the molecules, since the molecules are arranged far away from each other, the space between the molecules will be more. So the gases can easily mix with one another. So the statement is true. Fourth question, solids can be compressed easily. Can you compress the solids? Can you compress the solids? Can you, if can you compress a stone? Can you compress a brick? Think over. Can you compress a book? No, you can't do all those things, isn't it? So the statement is false. Fifth one, naphthalene. Naphthalene, you know, naphthalene is nothing but mothballs we are using, no? In order to safeguard from the insects, we used to have this in our bureaus. Am I right? So that is naphthalene. So the chemical is naphthalene. Naphthalene actually sublimes in the sense it has been converted to solids to gases directly without converting into liquid. So naphthalene sublimes. Yes, it is true. Next question, a molecule of alcohol when dissolved in water will undergo Brownian movement. So alcohol when dissolved in water, it will undergo Brownian movement. Is the statement true? Yes, of course the statement is true. Brownian movement is the one where the particles move in a random, they won't settle down, they will move in a random position. Okay, so the statement is true. Okay children, so that's your lesson 4 chemistry book exercise. So revise everything thoroughly, write a test, get corrected from your parents, send me the photocopy of your test to my personal number, and also report in the group without fail children. Thank you. Meet you in the next class. Prepare well for the upcoming exams children. All the best.